Today, we will learn about the research planning phase in the UX research process. This phase includes research planning, survey design, and user interview script creation. Introduction. While conducting any research process, it is important to understand the four main phases: research planning, data collection, analysis, and synthesis. These stages help us follow a clear and structured approach, ensuring that our research is organized, focused, and leads to meaningful results. UX research process. First is the research planning phase. In this phase, we clearly identify the research goals, target users, methods, and timeline for the study. Next is the data collection phase. In this phase, we start gathering user information through interviews, surveys, observations, or testing. The third phase is the analysis phase. In this stage, we carefully examine the collected data. We look for patterns, common problems, and repeated user behaviors. The fourth phase is the synthesis phase. In this stage, we convert research findings into meaningful insights. We create personas, define user needs, and generate actionable design recommendations. Research planning is the first method in the research planning phase. Research planning in UX is the step where we clearly decide the purpose of our research. It helps us understand what we want to learn, how we will collect the information, who our participants are, and how much time the process will take. Proper planning ensures that the research is organized, focused, and leads to meaningful outcomes. A well-structured research plan aligns stakeholders, avoids scope creep, and serves as a clear roadmap throughout the study by answering the who, what, why, when, and how of the research. Core steps in planning. Define the problem and goals. Summarize the business and user problem in a short problem statement so everyone knows what you are solving. Translate this into specific research objectives and questions. Next, choose the right research methods and define the scope. Decide whether interviews, usability testing, surveys, or analytics will best help answer your research questions. In this stage, we carefully plan our participants and overall logistics. First, we clearly define who we need for the research, whether they are new users, regular users, or experienced power users. We also decide how we will recruit them and how we will compensate them for their time. Set a realistic timeline for recruitment, sessions, analysis, and reporting, and assign roles across the team. Decide analysis and deliverables. Note how you'll analyze data, example thematic coding, task success rates, so you collect the right evidence during sessions. Specify how findings will be shared, such as a report, FigJam board, or readout meeting, and when stakeholders can expect them. Next method in research planning phase is survey design. Survey design is the process of carefully creating questionnaires that are simple, clear, and easy for users to answer. It's not just about sending out a Google form. A well-designed UX survey is short, unbiased, and directly connected to a specific research goal. Core stages of survey design. Start with goals and audience. Writing good questions. Structure and flow. Test and iterate. First stage of survey design is start with goals and audience. Before creating a survey plan, clearly define your goals and identify your target audience. Goals understand what you want to achieve, such as improving onboarding experience or prioritizing important features. Audience identify who will participate in the survey, age group, background, user type. Next stage is writing good questions. Use simple and neutral language in your survey and avoid technical terms. Ask one question at a time instead of combining multiple things in a single question. Structure and flow. Arrange survey questions in a logical flow by starting with easy or general questions and then moving to more specific ones. Group related questions into clear sections to keep the survey organized. Avoid long matrix grids, especially on mobile, as they can confuse users and increase drop-off rates. While designing surveys, it's important to reduce friction and bias. Keep the survey short, simple, and easy to complete on mobile devices, using large buttons and clear spacing. Ask only the most essential questions, allow participants to skip optional ones, and avoid leading language or questions that force them to predict future behavior. Last stage is test and iterate. Run a small pilot test to identify confusing wording, technical problems, or survey length issues before full launch. After collecting responses, review whether the questions generated useful insights and refine your next survey accordingly. Another method used in research planning is user interview script creation. Creating a user interview script means writing a structured but flexible discussion guide that keeps conversations aligned with your research goals while still feeling natural for participants. Step 1. Start from goals and research questions. Start by clearly defining the research goals to understand what you want to achieve from the study. Then frame specific research questions that guide the entire process and keep the study focused and meaningful. Step 2. Structure your script. Most guides recommend a simple four-part structure. Introduction. Warm-up background. Core topics. Wrap-up. Introduction. Thank participants, state purpose, explain recording observers, reassure there are no right or wrong answers, and get consent. In the beginning, start with warm-up or background questions. Ask about their role, daily activities, and general habits. This helps participants feel comfortable and provides basic context before moving into deeper questions. Next, organize your interview into core topics. Group your main questions into 3 to 4 themes, example current workflow, pain points, reactions to prototype, with timing per section. Finally, we'll wrap up the interview by inviting final thoughts, ask if there is anything you did not cover, and explain next steps and thanks. Step 3 is about writing effective interview questions. Use open-ended and neutral questions that encourage users to share detailed experiences rather than simple yes or no answers. Avoid leading or double questions, keep the language clear and simple, and include follow-up prompts to explore deeper insights. Step 4 is adding logistics and important notes. At the top of your interview script, include project name, date, session length, participant profile, and observer information so everyone is aligned. Treat the script as a guide, not a strict checklist. You can skip or reorder questions in the moment if the conversation surfaces more valuable parts. Conclusion. The research planning phase lays the foundation for successful UX research by clearly defining objectives, selecting appropriate methods like surveys and interviews, and preparing structured scripts. Proper planning ensures the research stays focused, collects meaningful data, and leads to accurate and actionable insights for better design decisions.